Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Wasif Khan. Today my topic is Canva tutorial. So today I will tell you about another things about Canva. So we will discuss about YouTube thumbnail, how we can create a YouTube thumbnail on the Canva. So here the search bar on the Canva, you can just type YouTube thumbnail. So you will there find the thumbnail templates, and as per your requirement and as per your skills, you can use the thumbnail templates. Also you can create a customized YouTube thumbnail. So let me show you today. I will tell you I have designed my video thumbnail is here. This is also create on the Canva. You can check this. I did not create another tool like Photoshop. I just use the Canva. This is text and this is the image, and this is also logo. This is also logo, and this background change, we also can change the background image like that. Like I can change background image like so. And there is our template is opening. So now I am going to tell you how we can create a YouTube thumbnail. Like you want to thumbnail about English YouTube channel. You are telling about about English channel, like you are telling about in this video grammar. So you can write there English grammar. Okay, so you can just reduce this size, so this will be on the on this page. So there I think this is good. So if you have a logo like here, you can this. I think I don't have there upload this any logo. Okay, so can if you have any logo like mm, like I'm gonna show logo, so I will paste there and logo. Suppose like suppose this is our logo, so I can upload their logo and drop on website. Like this is our logo, like so you can you want to say in this video call to action button like watch now. So you can type there watch now. So this is the procedure you can use, and other templates if you have requirement like you are selling a product. Yeah, you are selling any social media service like social media. I will type there social media. So we'll find there some related to social media YouTube thumbnail. So I can choose their thumbnail and background and images as per requirement. So so guys, in this video is enough. And so if you have enjoyed this video, please share this video with your friends and family member. So I hope you will like this video, and I will get back to with another YouTube classes. So also I gonna tell you, so you can download to their your created thumbnail is there. Okay, so guys, in this video this is enough. Thank you for guys watching this video.